In this video, I'll show you how I built the STOL RC STOL plane, and then we'll take it for some flights in windy conditions. I've mounted an Insta360 camera under the wing and also filmed the flight on the phone to capture different angles so you can clearly see how the plane handles. First I'll show you the build and then I'll show you the flight footage. It was also super windy today, with the wind speed sometimes even reaching 50 km per hour, but it still managed to fly really well. This is definitely optional, but I do really recommend that you hotwire all of the wings and the stabilizers, because if you don't, it will technically still fly, but probably 2 times worse than it is flying right now. This is how the aircraft should look like at this point. In this part you can see the flaps and the ailerons. I decided to use cardboard as a material because it's quite light and I just didn't really have anything else at home. Now this is also optional, but if you want, you can cover the flaps and the ailerons with tape in order to make them last longer, because as I already said, it's made out of cardboard, and if any water gets in there, maybe by humidity or by rain, it will probably be destroyed. So yeah, really recommend doing that.